In this video, we want to find out how to find the resistance for example, a wire. We have the formula R is equal to rho, that's the Greek letter rho, multiplied by L divided by A. The symbols up here are for different units, and for example R is for the resistance measured in ohm. Rho is the resistivity measured in ohm square meter per meter, or that is the SI unit. Many times we use ohm square millimeter per meter instead, because that gives us a normal number for calculating on a wire, for example. L is the length of the wire, and A is the cross-section area. And if you are going to use SI unit, you have to use square meter, but normally again we use square millimeter. So if we have the resistivity in ohm square millimeter per meter, we also have to put in the cross-section area in square millimeter. To understand the resistivity, the basic thing about it is that we have a cube with all side lengths of 1 meter. So we just measure the resistance from front to back or rear, or from top to bottom, and then the cube will have a given resistance depending on the material. The resistivity has the unit ohm square meter per meter. It means the resistance of a cross section of 1 square meter and a length of 1 meter. And this unit can be to ohm meter. We can see that meter we divide by meter, it gives us just mathematically ohm meter. I will prefer this one because then we know what we have to use about the resistance and the cross-section area and the length. We cannot see it over here. And normally our wire doesn't have a cross-section area of 1 square meter or anything nearby that. That's why we normally use this unit, 1 square millimeter, and still keep the length on 1 meter. So we got the unit ohm square millimeter per meter. And for example copper, we have the value 0.0175 ohm square millimeter per meter. We have to take into account that it's not pure copper because it's for a wire and at 20 degrees Celsius. So maybe you have seen another value for copper, and it can be because the temperature is different from 20 degrees Celsius, or that it is a value from another producer of a wire. Then the basic formula is R is equal to rho times L divided by A, and normally we just have one unknown, and we just can mix the formula so we can calculate the value. The cross-section area sometimes have another letter than A, but it doesn't matter.